Hi all. Okay, we're going to install Windows Server 2019. Just downloaded this a few days ago. Computer's blank. It's an i7. Turn on the monitor, it'll help. F12 to get the boot menu. Your computer may be different. Let's see here, invalid configuration. Please run setup. Continue F1. Here's our boot menu. I want to boot to the DVD. So I'll use the arrow keys to go down one. Press enter. So it should boot to the DVD. F12 to get the boot menu. Arrow down to DVD. I want to boot to the DVD. Press enter. Press any key. I just tap the space bar, it's fine. And it boots to the DVD. So Windows Server starts to load. So I just bought this computer off eBay a few weeks ago. It's an i7 second generation. I think it has 8 gigs of RAM. Maybe more, I'm not sure. This is the first time I've turned it on. I caught it on sale, I think 120, 123 maybe, something like that. So select your language, select your time, and select your keyboard. Click next, and click install now. Okay, if you have a number, you can type it in here. Okay, so I entered in the number. I think you don't need it for the trial version. It's on the website when you download it. So I went ahead and entered it. I'll press next. Read the license. Click I accept and click next. Here you can just click this guy up here and it will use your whole hard drive. If you want, you can click here and it shows you your hard drive. So I don't know what's on this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all this. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all this because I don't know what's on it. That might have been created by Windows, but we'll see. Okay, so we have a blank hard drive here, and just click Next. Okay, so it's asking me for a password. I have to create one here. It's home use, it doesn't have to be too difficult. Okay, so there's the boot screen. Looks normal. Hold Control and Alt key. Okay, so to log in, hold the Control and Alt key and tap the Delete key. That'll bring up the password screen. Administrator, type in your password. Tap enter. Okay, that's the desktop. This strange picture, that's kind of confusing if you've never seen that before. Down here, they've got the notification area, clock, calendar. They've got a few items down here. Start button, search, Internet Explorer. Up here, they got the trash bin. Okay. Let's right click the start button. Right click the start button and you get this guy here. Apps, power options, event viewer, systems, device manager, network connections, device management, computer management, PowerShell admin. That's nice. It's not confusing now. Task manager, settings, explorer. I wish they put the control panel on here too. So let's see here. Let's go to the task manager. I want to check the RAM. I'm not sure. So this is the task manager. Click more details down here and you'll get the full view. Processes. Performance. 8 gigs of RAM here. Okay, so let's right click on the desktop and go to personalize. And then this picture background here, I'm going to go solid color, and I prefer a light gray. That might be a little bright for the videos. Let's go with a darker gray. Okay, that's better. You can change your lock screen here if you want to change the picture. Themes. Here on themes, there's a desktop icon settings. And I'm going to choose all these: computer, user files, network, control panel. That way I get these guys on my desktop. I'm just used to seeing these, especially the control panel. It's just a fast way to get to items. I like my computer on the desktop. These days they call it this PC, because then I can get to C: quickly. That's just the way I like to work. Let's see if I right click on this PC and go to properties. Down here it says read the license. And I'm going to see, they should have a print button on this thing. Doesn't even look like I can copy it. Right click. Right clicking won't let me copy it. I can select it. But it won't let me copy it. Okay. So I connected to the internet. Well, I plugged the cable in. It's showing me I'm not connected here at the bottom. Down here. So let's click on this guy. Network settings. Click troubleshoot. It wasn't plugged in when I installed the operating system. Well, I have to plug it into the computer. I plugged it into the switch, but okay, so I'll plug it in. See if we get a connection here. Okay, I'll click here, check to see if the problem is fixed. Okay, it says fixed, so we'll close. And let's see if I can get out to the internet. Let's try Microsoft.com. They just don't want you surfing the web on a server. Okay, so it seems to be working. Start button, start screen, server manager. So this try managing servers with Windows Admin Center. Windows Admin Center brings together a new and familiar features in one browser-based app. So instead of Server Manager, it's admin through a browser-based app. It runs on a server or PC, and there's no additional cost beyond your Windows license. Get more info here. So there's Server Manager. It's still as before. So let's check out this guy here. Get more info. Close. So here's the video. Hello, welcome Admin Center. Windows Admin Center is a locally deployed browser-based app for managing servers, clusters, hyper-converged infrastructure, in Windows 10 PCs. It comes at no additional cost beyond Windows and is ready to use in production. Okay, we'll come back to this. So, oh, there's two videos here. Download PDF. Oh, before we quit, let's go to the DVD. Here's what's on the DVD: boot, EFI, sources, support. So sources, I glanced through it upstairs and I don't see a nano server. So I think it has to be downloaded.